In this video, I will share with you how to create a gift card product in Hostinger website builder. This is an example of the gift card product page. We will also see what your gift card buyer will receive. This is the email and this is the gift card itself. Also, we'll see how to redeem it on your online store and the order detail that you will receive as the online store owner. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website inside Hostinger website builder, and first I need to switch to the online store section. So click on website builder and switch to manage store. Here, to have this manage store button, first you need to enable your online store on your website. So click on these three dots, and here I think you will not here, you will click on this little card, and in order to create your online store if you don't have one. After that, switch to your online store. Then go to products and click on this add product button. This window will pop up. Click on gift card. As you see, it is still in the beta mode. And by a gift card, we mean prepaid cards that can be redeemed for online purchases. Click on it and you will see this add gift card page. First, we will start by uploading our image or images. Here you have two options. You can upload your images from here and let the Hostinger AI generate product details for you, or just upload your images simply. So in my case, I already have my gift card product details written, but even with that, I will go and test the AI way. Click on upload images, select all the photos, click on open, and let the AI create images. Gift this title. From my experience, I felt that Hostinger AI base its text creation on the first photo. So if you have multiple photos and you want to use Hostinger AI, I recommend you to first start with uploading a single image that best describe your product in order to get suitable text, description and title. Here I will delete this AI text, same thing here, and the description. And I will use my own ones. Digital gift card, this is my title. And for the subtitle, instant email delivery, no expiry, choose your amount. And for the ribbon, I will go with best gift ever. And for the description, this is my text. Not sure what to gift? Let them choose. Our digital gift card is the perfect solution for holidays or just because. Features, choose from 10 to 50. Delivery delivered instantly by email, no expiration date. Can be used on any item in our store. Add a personal message at checkout. I don't think this option is available with Hostinger website builder, so I will remove it. A thoughtful gift delivered in seconds. The gift card is sent instantly by email after purchase. You can allow a custom message field during checkout if supported. This delivery, I will delete it because I'm not sure about customization, so I will delete this part. Here you can use AI to write your product description. Just describe your product details. You can make something a big title just like that. You can even center your text from here. You can add a photo Let's add a photo here. Click on this photo icon, upload, add media, this new one. Click on insert. This is how to add a photo in your product description. You can even add a video. Just click on this YouTube icon. This is my YouTube video link. Click on insert, and just like that, your YouTube video is added to your product description. Now let's see, or let's jump to the amount section. Here you can let your customers choose from a variety of gift card amounts. The default ones are 10, 20, and 50. To add a new gift card amount, click on this add amount button and fill in your gift card amount. To delete one, just click on this little bin icon and it is deleted. For expiration, you can set no expiration for your gift cards, or go with expiration date, and changing the expiration won't affect the gift cards that you've already sold, so no worries about that. In my case, I prefer no expiration date, but let's see this list. For expiration dates, you can select between 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. Here I will go no expiration date. And for categories, I recommend you to use categories to organize products on your online store, especially if you have multiple products. You can click on assign to a category or add new and fill in your category, for example, gift cards. Click on add, and just like that, this product is added to this category. Here the AI also gives you suggestions. In my case, it was the same thing, gift cards. You can select your suggested category just like that. And for related products, you can show related products below this product in order to increase your sales, like we are used to in Amazon website. And for this section, you can edit its title. For example, you may also like, and you can select from which category you will show related products. You can go with all products available on your online store or specific categories. I will go with all products because I don't have much products on this online store. And after that, click on this save button. Product updated. Till now, your product is saved on your website, but it is not published online. To do this, you need to switch to the website builder and click on this update website button. Now your product is published online. Let's view my site. Let's go to store. This is how the product looks like in your online store. Best gift ever, digital gift card. Let's open it. This is the gift card product title. This is the ribbon, or the subtitle, my bad. And from the amount, you can select your gift card amount and also the quantity. They show you the selected amount. After that, you will see this add to bag button and your gift card product details or description. Here starts from here, the text, the photo, and this is the YouTube video. And next to this, you will see your gift card product photos, 10, 20, 50. And below all of that, you will see the recommended products section. This section I've titled "You may also like," and you'll see the rest of your products. And let's try to buy this product. Click on add to bag, checkout. Since there is no way to test buying your product for free, I've set this product for $0.9 and hit save. Now let's return to the store. Select this simple amount, click on add to bag, checkout. This is the new price. I may add a discount, but I will not do that. Let's fill in my email inbox, ben at bensexperience.com, full name, and for the country I'm from Morocco. Then click on continue. Here on this online store, I have this PayPal payment gateway, and also the cash at appointment or the manual payment. I will go with PayPal, hit debit or credit card. Now click on this pay $0.10. And thank you for your orders. Your order has been received. Got it. And now let's wait for our digital gift card to arrive or to be delivered. After I think around 15 to 30 seconds, I received my gift card email from Blade and Brush. This is my online store name, and this is the email subject. Your gift card is ready for use. Let's open this email. My online store, your gift card. Thank you for purchasing a gift card from Blade and Brush. Details, the gift card code. This is the code. You can download your gift card using the link below. Click on this download file button, and below the button, this gift card code can be used only once. Now this is how my gift card looks like. The gift card amounts. Use this gift card code below for purchases. Note that the gift card code can be used only once. And this is the gift card code, and the expiration is undefined. If you set an expiration date, the gift card buyer will see it here. This is just a single page. Now let's try to use this gift card code on my online store. Let's copy it like that. Go back to my online store, go to store. Let's open a new or a product on my store. Let's say this classic cap, add to bag, checkout. This cart total is 18 now, right now. And if I click on discount code or gift card, and if I paste my gift card code and hit apply, I will see that my gift card is in use, and this is the discounted price after using my gift card. Now let's see the message I received as the online store owner. Same thing, the online store name. You have received a new order. This is the order details. The product is this digital card. The quantity is 1. The price for each is this, and the total and the order total is this one. And this is the customer information and the payment method used. Now let's go back to my online store management area. Switch from website builder to manage store, and go to orders, and this is my order details: the order number, date, the customer email, the total price paid, the payment status, and the fulfillment status. Let's open this this gift card order details. This is the status. This item has been fulfilled automatically after a successful payment. This is the product bought. I can jump directly from the order details to the product editing page, the quantity, the price, the total price, the customer information, name, address, and email. The payment status is paid. I can create an invoice for this order just from here. This is the payment invoice. You can print it, download it, or send it by email. Close. And this is the payment method used is PayPal, because my credit card information was processed through PayPal. And this is how to create a gift card product in Hostinger website builder, also how to use it and redeem it. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.